report mang pada tentang macam complication tu. Aku orang kita.
Case of private tu dah case of real road ni.
No voice tak sampai.
State Minister, Revenue Minister, Uncle Encino, Maya CM Botu, CM Rajesh Tongo, CM Education Board of Asia. So, যখন খবর খানাগা বিনি health situation আমথায় হাই বাবাই কবরক বসালেতে blood sugar high খাবিনি তে weakness সিবাগি বো আইলাস হসপিটালে তো চিকিৎসা হতো We hope that the report will come by tomorrow and then only doctors will start prescribing the medicine. So, we pray to God.
Ang buti ako sa tong sad.
Ang pawrok sa ito nga, mayroon sana ni Rausa tayo. We are sure that he will be well soon. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.